Hi class, how are you? I hope you are okay. And before we start our class, I would like you to tell you something. Yes, well, yesterday, me and my family went to the market to buy some things like rices, chicken, onions, to prepare to cook my favorite dish, that is escabeche de pollo. And it was a beautiful experience with my family. Yes, now let's start with our class. Okay, the objective of today is about to make sentences in simple past and to recognize the verb in the past. Okay, so look at it. And a little review. This is our verb be. Okay, do you remember that we studied this? For example, that verb be in the present is, the three forms: am, is, and are. And from the past, we have was and were. Okay, so now let's see some verbs, but in the past. You know what is a verb? For example, play is a verb, eat is a verb, walk is a verb, is an action, right? But it is a verb too. Walk, dance is a verb. So we have a lot of verbs, okay? But today's class is about the verbs, but in the past, okay? So there are two forms, and this is the most common kind of verb. Okay, so for example, here we have verbs. For example, the verb play, stay, dance, and visit. Maybe you don't know this word, stay. Okay, let me explain. The verb stay means being in the same place and don't move. Okay, so if I stay here, I don't move to other place. I'm in the same place for a period of time. Okay, for example, now we are staying in home because of the coronavirus. That means that we cannot go to other place. That means stay, be in the same place. Okay, so for those verbs we add ed to transform in the past. So if I say the verb play, that is in the present. But if we write ed, now my verb played becomes in the past. For example, this sentence, look at it. I played video games. I played video games. So this sentence played refers to the past. Could be yesterday, could be last weekend, but in the past. So those sentences are in the past. For example, the verb dance without be is a verb in the present, right? It's an action. But if I put danced with D at the final, it means that it's in the past. The action happened in the past. Okay? So now that we know the common verbs with ed, there are other kinds. For example, this, that we don't put an ed at the final. they are different. For example, the verb eat, you know, the action eat, but in the past, it is not, for example, with ed. We cannot say eat with ed. It's not possible to say that. That's wrong. Okay? Because that's called irregular verbs. In this section, for example, the verb eat in the past becomes in the verb ate. That is different. Or, for example, this, the verb go. The verb go, you know, that is the verb go. In the past is no, for example, is not goat, like those verbs. No, that's not possible. That is wrong. Instead, we use the verb went. That refers to the past. Okay? So don't worry. Okay? Don't worry, because that is easy. You, with that time, you are going to learn little by little verbs in the past, but taking account that those are the most important, and you have to remember also those kind of irregular verbs. Okay? So that's the idea. Now I have some sentences to complete. Okay? You have to complete sentences, but with verbs in the past, and we have verbs in the past but irregulars. Okay? And before doing this, I want you to recognize a little play. Okay? Here I have some verbs, and you have to tell me if they are in the present or in the past. Okay? It's no problem if it's regular or irregular. You have to recognize either in the present or in the past. Okay? That's it. For example, this verb, stay, this verb is in the present or in the past? What do you think? In the present? Yes, that is in the present. Very good. Okay, the next one. What happened with this verb? Is this verb in the present or in the past? Yes, that is in the past. Very good. And this verb is in the present or in the past? Yes, this is in the present, right? And this is not irregular. Okay, you remember? And what happened with this verb? Is that in the present or in the past? Yeah, that is in the past. And this verb, played, is in the present or in the past? In the past. Very good. You are completely right. Excellent. Present or past? Present. Yes, you are right. Present. Very good. This verb, eat. You remember? Eat. Is that verb in the present or in the past? Yes, that is in the present. Very good, man. And this verb, ate, is kind of different from the rest, right? Is that verb in the present or in the past? In the past, right? And that is irregular verb. Yes, irregular verb. Okay, and the last. This verb is in the present or the past? Yeah, completely right. Very good, guys. You did an excellent job. Okay, so now I have some exercises for you. We have some sentences and we need to complete it. Okay? For example, our subjects here and our complements. Okay, let's read the first one, okay? It says, we is our subject. We need a verb here and it says lomo saltado. Okay, lomo saltado is a dish, right? And we can put we stay lomo saltado. I think that doesn't make sense, right? What about play? We play lomo saltado. Is that possible? I think it's not possible. Okay, maybe other. We danced. We danced lomo saltado? No, no, right? What do you think? Is that right? We danced lomo saltado? No, right? Yes, of course. But what happened if we put eat? Does that make sense? Lomo saltado is for eating, right? Yes, that is our verb. But we need to put it in the past. So the past for eat is ate. Excellent. And that is irregular verb. So we ate lomo saltado. Very good. Okay. The next one. What is our subject? Is he. And it says his grandmother. Okay. We played our grandmother? I don't think so. I don't think so. He danced his grandmother? No, right? What happened with visit? Does that make sense? Visit? Yes, of course. But visit in the past, what is? Visited with ed at the final. So we put, this is our sentence now. He visited his grandmother. Yeah, now makes sense. Very good. Okay, so let's see the next one. It says she for the subject, and we have volleyball and yesterday. Volleyball. Okay, volleyball, it's not possible to eat, or I don't know. What happened with play? You remember? Yes, you're right. Play is for volleyball, football, video games, everything like that. So it's play, but in the past. So play becomes in played. Yes. So our sentence is she played volleyball yesterday. Very good. Now that makes sense. Okay, what is the next one? We have they. Okay, they. And it says in home. Okay. I wanted to write something for you. For example, you remember what I said before? Stay in home, right? For example, for the coronavirus, we stay home. We don't move. Okay, we cannot go to any place. We stay here in home. Okay, so our sentence becoming they stayed in home. Very good. And the last, I to the market. When you see this, to the market, to the library, to the any place. The action. What is the action for moving to that place? What is the action? Go, excellent, go. But go is in irregular. So go in the past becomes in went. Exactly. So I went to the market. Now that makes sense. Of course. So I went to the market is our sentence. Okay, you see? It's so easy, right? So this is all for today, guys. Thank you so much and see you in the next opportunity. Goodbye.